Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So a friend of mine asked me to do a very specific piece on a 20 by 20, and he wants it as the Ring technique with a light blue in the center. So that's what we're going to go for. And I'm primarily going to be using the Arteza Pouring acrylic colors, but I may add in some additional paints. So for this 20 by 20 canvas, I need about 25 ounces of paint. So I'm starting with white and then some neon blue. And then this one is ultramarine blue. And then I'm going to go with a little bit more white here. And some gold. I want the center to really pop. Okay. So at this stage, I'm going to layer a whole bunch of other colors. It's going to go out to all kinds of crazy colors. It's just blue in the center there. So I'm going to speed this part up just because it will take a little while. All right, so here we have about 16 ounces. Now keep in mind that what goes into the cup first will be what comes out last. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in a tree ring, starting in the middle here. So you can see we have all these warm colors on the outside, and then it goes into the greens and then into the blues. So at this stage, I'm not really getting the lines that I want here. I'm going to actually stretch this out a little bit. Okay, and here we go. There we go, okay. I think the paint had just been a little bit too thick in that spot. All right, so I'm gonna let this drain here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the swipe through here because we are going for the ring. There's no specific method to this madness with the ring. It kind of just does its thing. And this technique, in case anyone doesn't know, Molly's Artistry came up with it. She is awesome. I'll put a link for her channel down in the description. And of course, all materials will be in the description as well. So at this stage, I am going to put a little bit of extra blue around the sides. And this is just my regular Artist Loft Flow Acrylics mixed with Floetrol and water. And that's just going to help it flow a little bit on the outsides here. And now we tilt. there we have it. I think that is beautiful. I love the bright, bold colors. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that all my sides are covered. And then I'm going to bring you guys all in for a close-up. All right, so starting in the lower right-hand corner here, you can see the awesome lines that we got here. Coming up to the upper right-hand corner. And we're definitely going for lighter on this one. So got a lot of the light blue in there. I think I probably could have broken up the white a little more, but I am very happy with this. We'll see what my friend thinks, but either way, I'm totally happy, even if it's not exactly what he's going for, but you know, we'll see. So as you can see, like I said, what goes in first comes out last. So even though I put in reds and pinks and stuff, you pretty much just see all those blues that I put in at the beginning. So guys, check out the description for all the materials. Let me know what you think of this, and I will see you all next time.